Hi, Hen. What you doing?
Picking peas, that time of year.
Oh, it looks
Oh,
amazing.
nothing like, we had some steamed peas the other night. Oh, delicious with some butter on afterwards. Whew, delicious. You can't pass this up.
I need some help in the strawberry bed. You want to help me pick some strawberries here?
Absolutely. What are you going to make? The recipe? You got something planned?
I'm going to make or I'm going to try a new recipe in the oven with a skillet, shortcake, all in one. We'll see how it goes.
Hey, I'm game to try anything, you know. I don't care. Hey.
You'll be my taste tester to see if it's one that goes into the
if it has my
cookbook.
If it has my vegetables or fruits, I'm all for it. Very seldom do you mess it up.
So we have the
Some more
netting
here.
over here
Yeah.
because we got to keep the birds out of here.
Little birds and big birds, like turkeys, right?
No.
Goodness.
We've been getting little
tom
bites.
turkeys and I guess some big turkeys. Oh, there's a few more in here. They got to ripen up a little more here and there. Some not quite ready there yet. We'll give them some more time, right?
I agree.
We gotta give them some water
I need
too.
about a pound worth, which is
A quart.
pretty close to a quart,
Yeah, we
exactly.
almost got it there. Got a quart right there. We'll get a little more extra. Always good for some on the cereal in the morning, right?
That's right.
Then we freeze some for jams. I usually eat the jams when it gets cooler in the fall. Just works out that way really good.
All right, well, we'll be bringing these in the kitchen.
All right.
And we'll give this recipe a shot. It's gotten a little cooler. It's been 90 degrees here in New Hampshire and zone 5, and it's been a hot one, and it's going to continue.
Yeah, keep things watered.
I know you're trying, aren't you, with the misting system?
Yeah. I don't have irrigation. Like some people put drip irrigations in their garden beds, which is great, you know. But this works fine.
I'm thankful that we don't at least have a band where we have water stands because we have a well. But you got to be careful with the well.
You run it dry.
You could run it dry. All right.
There's a few more there. Okay. I'll let you go up and. There you go.
Well, it's a beautiful evening here in New England, and it's time to pick some strawberries. And then we're going to go in the kitchen and make a wonderful recipe. Actually, one I've never tried, so I guess I can't say it's wonderful, but it sure looks good, and we're going to test it out and see how it comes out. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Simply Garden and Home. And as you can see, we're back in the kitchen getting ready to work on a recipe. Just picked some fresh strawberries from the garden, and we are going to make strawberry pound cake, but not your traditional strawberry pound cake, because we are going to be baking it in a skillet. So get ready. This is a pretty neat and easy recipe. So what we're going to do here is take our skillet, and this is one of those silicone brushes. They're wonderful. If you don't have one, I highly recommend. And then the end just pops off, and you can throw that in the dishwasher. And the wooden part, of course, you're not going to put in the dishwasher. But they're wonderful for grilling. They're wonderful for basting. And in this case, for putting melted butter. And that's a tablespoon of melted butter in the bottom of the skillet. So like that. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of flour, kind of like when your grandmother would make a cake. And what did she do? She would what? What would she do, Jim?
She would powder it.
With?
Flour. Yeah.
So something like that.
Perfect.
The leftover,
She's,
you're gonna tap
we
out.
just dump it on the floor after?
No, I have a garbage can.
Okay.
Okay, so there you go. That's
Wonderful.
what your pan looks. So what we did is we picked, what would you say, about a pound?
About a pound of strawberries, yeah, a quart.
Okay, and as you can see, that's not quite a quart, not quite a pound, because you ended up helping by chopping.
3/4
that
of
up.
it, yep.
Okay, and then the other quarter of the pound,
Cut in half.
we just cut the strawberries in
Yeah.
half.
Yep.
That's gonna be for the top. This is what's gonna go into your mixture.
Okay.
But first, we need to, in a mixer, if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer like this, don't worry, you can still make it. You can use a handheld beater. If you want to get muscles, you can use a wooden spoon. So in this, we are going to add 1.5 cups, excuse me, of sugar. And I'm actually going to put this little thing in. Makes it easier. It's like a guard.
There you go.
And then I'm going to take that back out. And to that we'll add 3/4 of a cup of butter that you can see is very soft. So there we go. And that's in. I'm going to turn that on.
All right.
And you're going to beat that till it's light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. So now what you're going to do, that's light and fluffy, if you want to take a peek in there,
Sure.
is you're going to add 3 eggs, and when you add them, you're going to add one at a time and beating well between each egg. One, 2. And 3.
Boy, it's too bad we don't have our own chickens, huh?
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
And what you're going to add to that then is vanilla extract.
How much?
I believe that was a 1/2 teaspoon.
Okay.
Not that much, just gives it a little bit of vanilla flavor. Okay, take a peek in there. Almost looks like a frosting
It looks
or
nice.
batter.
Ooh,
Okay.
nice.
Then you're going to take your dry ingredients, which consists of 2 cups of flour, 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And you're gonna mix that in.
Great.
And I have a little whisk where I don't know where it went.
Oh, disappeared. Oh, whisk is right here. There we go.
I missed that.
That's all right.
You know what? To make it better, easier, let's do that. Let's stick that in here. Make
All
sure
right.
that gets
All mixed up nicely.
And there's our whisk. Thank you, assistant.
Oh, absolutely. Hey, you know what? We're versatile here.
Down to
Just,
earth.
just like the garden, right?
Down to earth.
Down to earth. That's good.
Literally.
like
Okay,
that.
now what you're going to do is you're going to add your dry ingredients that I explained to you. And in here I have, I believe it's 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. It is 3/4 a cup of sour cream
Yeah, it looks like it.
and your dry ingredients. And you're going to alternate the 2 of these,
Okay.
mixing it to the batter.
Back and forth.
So I don't have a spoon. Let me grab one here. And I'm going to put this on. It's going to be noisy. And on medium speed when you do this. And your goal is not to overbeat, but you do want it to mix.
Nice.
You can see the shield comes in handy. At this mixer for a long time, haven't
Yeah, it's been a lot of, made a lot of cookies and cakes. And
Okay, so we're getting that in.
I hear you have a new bread machine coming.
I do.
Yeah, gonna make some.
Hoping to make some herb bread with
breads,
the
yeah.
herbs from the garden.
The other bread machine kind of kicked the bucket.
Had that
It was
for a
it was
while.
doing weird things when it was baking, right? Coming
Had
out
that
weird.
for years too.
Yeah, coming out weird shapes and had enough.
Okay, so now that we have all these dirty dishes,
I'll wash them
the
for you,
maid will
dear.
come.
I'll wash them. I don't mind.
Okay, let's see if that looks mixed.
Okay, take a look at that.
What does that look like?
Oh, it looks
I
beautiful.
think that looks
look
great.
at that.
Okay, so we're gonna take out our beater.
This is really easy.
All right, And then I'm going to use my spatula.
You can clean off with your fingers?
Clean off. No, you're not cleaning this off with your fingers. Oh my goodness. Okay. Surprised you're not asking if you can lick
Can I
it.
taste it?
No.
No.
Okay. You have to have everything be clean.
Here we go.
Remember, Jim?
Oh yes, got to keep things clean here. So clean operation.
All right. So that's your batter.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of cool. Watch this. So now we're going to assemble.
Should I tell people about the strawberries this year?
Sure. I'm going to move some of the sturdy
So we got a
stuff.
little problem with strawberries this year. It's not just me, it's the whole area. What I think has happened, we've had some cold nights like 40s, 38s, 45s, and strawberries in blossom. I'm just guessing that they've gotten kind of stressed out because even the commercial places pick your own. Strawberries are very small this year, not plentiful. And I'm like, great, that's what the problem is. It's not just me, it's just nature, right?
That's right.
Can't control
And
it.
did we tell them how much
Oh yeah, so
our daughter came
Jen,
over?
she was saying the farm, local place, you pick it yourself. How much was it for a quart?
$6.
$6 for a quart. And this is a quart right here.
And they don't have many. How many did she say?
She goes, they had just something to pick for one day. At one place, one big farm was, they said, we don't think we're gonna have anything much to pick this year.
I'd be curious for people to put comments
How their strawberries are doing,
and
right?
how their areas are doing.
Yeah.
And then also how much they cost. I mean, these are organic too.
Yeah, there's
So,
more cost.
look what
to
we
it.
did.
Oh,
Did
it's
you
beautiful.
catch that? We
Oops.
took the chopped up,
Sorry, the camera got crooked for a moment.
Okay.
Keep going. All right.
we took the chopped strawberries and we added it to our batter. So that was a 3/4 of a pound
Wow.
of strawberries, okay?
That looks
And that's
beautiful.
what got put into the batter. So you're just going to, this is so cool. It's very fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
And wait until you see what this looks like when
Is
it's
this
done.
is this going to get higher as it bakes up? You think?
It
That's
will
the-
kind of rise up.
Okay.
I believe it's a 10-inch.
I'm just
Skillet.
wondering if maybe you shouldn't put a cookie sheet underneath it just in case it blows
Yeah,
over the
you
edge.
could do that, but I think it's more of a cake kind of
Oh, okay,
consistency.
okay.
We could do that though to be on the safe side. And then with your clean fingers, you're going to stick in strawberries.
Just lay them in there, right?
And you're going to push them
Marvelous.
in and
They're good.
eat one.
There we go.
Oh, Jim, there is nothing like
Fresh homemade.
Your fresh-
homegrown strawberries, huh?
strawberries right from the garden. The grandchildren are loving it. They're coming over
That and the peas, right?
they like to pick them. Hunter gives us an update if any of them have been pecked at by our
Lovely turkeys.
little turkeys.
I think the robins get underneath the edge of the
Even with the netting.
One day I had a robin underneath the netting.
Okay.
I got her out before she got choked to death by
Oh,
it.
oh, good.
Yeah. Poor
Yeah, we
thing.
like our birds.
A lot of birds this year. We have a nest out front of a. Okay, what bird is that?
A
Oriole.
Oriole,
Baltimore Oriole. Yeah.
One of our neighbors noticed, and it's been squawking. How
One
does
of our
that
trees.
look?
Let me look at it on top so you can see.
So that's looking good. What do you think?
Nice.
So you're just going to push these in just a little bit into the batter. And then you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have foil or one of these pie shields, I highly recommend probably about 25 minutes into the baking, putting that on it. Here's your finished product. I think this is going to taste delicious. It smells amazing. And how I want to serve this is I'm going to cut it into a wedge like a pie, and a little bit of whipped cream and a few berries on the side. I'll show that to you, and I think that Jim is going to be thrilled with the end product, especially knowing these strawberries came right from his garden. I hope you like and subscribe, and I will have the recipe details below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment or ask questions. And I hope you have fun with your strawberries creating this wonderful strawberry shortcake in a skillet.
Where'd it go? It's all on here.